Hello friends, welcome to Bankers platform. Today we have come again with new set of questions and please like this video and share this video with your friends who are preparing for jaiib exam and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. So let's start. So today we have most expected questions for jib and the subject is accounting and finance for bankers. Please make notes of these important questions for your future reference. These most expected questions can be asked in coming JIB exam. So let's begin. So our first question is the preparation of trial balance and final accounts with a view to ascertain the profit or loss made during a particular period and the financial position of the business on a particular date is called. Our options are A. Recording of transaction. B. Classifying the transactions. C. Summarizing the transaction. And D. All the above. So let's see what is the correct answer. And our correct answer is C. Summarizing the transaction. So friends, जो भी summarizing हम करते हैं transaction की, so that is called the preparation of trial balance and final accounts with a view to ascertain the profit and loss made during a particular period and financial position of the business on a particular date. अगर हम किसी पर्टिकुलर डेट के लिए प्रॉफिट और लॉस की वैल्यूज फाइनलाइज कर रहे हैं तो दैट विल बी कॉल्ड समराइजिंग द ट्रांजैक्शन. So let's move to next question. Question number 2. Which of the following features of the journal and ledger given as under is not correct? So our options are A. Journal is book of original entry. B. Journal is a book of analytical record. C. Ledger is a book of secondary record. D. Process of recording the transaction in ledger is called posting. So let's see what is the correct answer. And the correct answer is C. Ledger is a book of secondary record. So friends, many times questions are asked from journal and ledger. So there will be half marks questions are there and that is very important. You should know these points because conceptual questions are asked from these topics. So let's see some details and difference between journal and the ledger. So as you can see, journal is a subsidiary book of account. It is the storehouse of recording transaction, whereas ledger is the permanent and final book of accounts. It is termed as the means of classified transaction. सो फर्स्टली जो भी एंट्री है वो हम जर्नल में करेंगे एंड देन इट विल बी कमिंग इन लेजर. सो ट्रांजेक्शन आर रिकॉर्डिंग इन जर्नल इन क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर ऑफ डेट्स जस्ट आफ्टर देयर अक्रेंस. Transactions are posted in ledger in classified form from journal. And third point is transactions are recorded in journal without considering their nature of classification. जब भी हम journal में कोई entry करें तो just will write whatever the entry we have. But if you see ledger, in ledger the transactions are recorded in ledger in classified form under respective heads of account. अगर हम कोई जनरल में एंट्री कर रहे हैं लाइक देर इज सम एंट्री ऑफ एक्सपेंडिचर और देर इज सम एंट्री ऑफ selling the goods, buying the goods, so just we will write. But when it comes to ledger, then the transactions जो होंगी वो आर रिकॉर्डेड इन लेजर इन क्लासीफाइड फॉर्म. तो अगर प्रॉफिट कुछ हुआ है तो वो प्रॉफिट के हेड में होगा, लॉ एक्सपेंडिचर कुछ हुआ है तो वो एक्सपेंडिचर के हेड में होगा एंड बाइंग अगर कुछ हुई है तो वो बाइंग के हेड में लिखी जाएगी. इन जर्नल एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ एंट्रीज ऑफ ट्रांजेक्शन आर शोन. इन लेजर एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ एंट्रीज ऑफ ट्रांजेक्शन आर नॉट नीडेड. जर्नल एज यू नो जर्नल में सारी जो एंट्रीज हैं वो जर्नलाइज्ड होती है. तो इन दैट व्हाट विल हैपन दैट you are writing, so you have to give the complete detail, otherwise other person will not be knowing that how it is, what type of entry it is. But in ledger already you are posting the things in a classified way, so there is no need to write the explanation. So let's move to next question. Our next question is nominal accounts relate to incomes, expenses, asset, liabilities. Our options are A to D all, B, A and B only, C, B and C only, D, A and C only. So let's see what is the correct answer. And correct answer is B, A and B only. Incomes and expenses, जो नॉमिनल अकाउंट्स होते हैं उसमें इनकम और एक्सपेंसेस, जो भी हमारा प्रॉफिट और एक्सपेंडिचर है उसकी एंट्रीज जो है वो हमें नॉमिनल अकाउंट में मिलती हैं. So asset and liabilities, these are not part of nominal account. Let's move to question number 4. So before that we'll see what type of accounts are there. So there are three types of account which we mainly see, that is real account, पर्सनल अकाउंट एंड नॉमिनल अकाउंट. सो रियल अकाउंट जो है उसमें सारे जितने भी एसेट्स हैं, लाइक इन प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन यू कैन सी वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट this asset and liability. So asset and liability will be coming under our real account. So in real account your profit and that all assets will be coming, and profit and loss will be coming under nominal account. And if you will see personal account, so personal account will be of all parties, जितनी भी हमारी parties हैं उनके जो account है वो personal account में आएंगे, like debtors and creditors. debtor और जो creditors हैं उनकी जो list है that will come under personal account. Or real account like tangible assets, intangible assets, so all assets will be coming in real account. And you can see here, you can see like all items of profit and loss, all item of profit and loss will be coming in income and expenses. So here is one rule is there that we have to see, like if you will see rules. So in rule for real account के लिए जो rule है that is this: डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, जो कोई भी हम एंट्री कर रहे हैं व्हाट कम्स इन, जो भी हमारे अकाउंट में आ रहा है दैट विल बी इन डेबिट साइड, एंड वट एवर गोज आउट दैट विल बी इन क्रेडिट साइड. सो इफ़ यू सी पर्सनल अकाउंट, so in personal account what happens, debit the receiver and credit the giver. So this concept is used. And if you will see nominal account, debit all the expenses and credit all the income. So this is the point to be noted. And many time questions are also asked from these rules. वहाँ पे आपको एंट्री दे दी होगी कि डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट रिलेट्स टू नॉमिनल अकाउंट. तो वहाँ पे आपको इस तरह के क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं जिसमें ये रूल्स के बारे में मैच द फॉलोइंग टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं, लाइक देयर विल बी गिवन एंड दे विल बी मिक्सिंग ऑल द थिंग्स टू कन्फ्यूज यू, बट यू हैव टू क्रैम, यू शुड क्रैम दिस थिंग दैट इन रियल अकाउंट इट गोज डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, जो भी अंदर आता है वो डेबिट होगा और जो भी चीज़ बाहर जा रही है दैट विल बी क्रेडिट. और पर्सनल अकाउंट लाइक डेबिट द रिसीवर, क्रेडिट द गिवर, जैसा कि हमारे कैश में होता है, लाइक कैश में जब हम पेमेंट लेते हैं, सो देयर ऑल्सो दीज टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग. एंड नॉमिनल अकाउंट डेबिट ऑल एक्सपेंसेस, जो भी हमारे एक्सपेंसेस होंगे वो क्या होंगे, डेबिट होंगे. जैसा कि हम कोई भी एक्सपेंस करते हैं तो हमारे जेब से पैसा बाहर जाता है, और जब भी हमें कोई प्रॉफिट होता है तो पैसा हमारे जेब में आता है. तो क्रेडिट ऑल इनकम, जो भी इनकम है वो क्रेडिट होगी और जो भी एक्सपेंसेस हैं वो डेबिट होंगे. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स, सो आई थॉट टू डिस्कस विद यू. एंड प्लीज़ understand and use this thing in your day to day life so that it will be very easy for you to remember this point, that in real account the rule is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. And in personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. And in nominal account, debit all expenses and credit all incomes and gains. So let's move to question number 4. The journal entries are posted in the ledger: A. In order of their category, in order of their dates, in order of their importance, as per discretion of the firm. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is B. In order of their dates. फ्रेंड, जैसा कि पिछली स्लाइड में हमने देखा था व्हेन वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट डिफरेंस बिटवीन दैट जर्नल एंड लेजर, वहाँ पे दिस पॉइंट वाज क्लियरली मैंशनड कि जो भी एंट्रीज जर्नल में होती हैं वो एक डेट वाइज होती है. लाइक आज आपकी जितनी एंट्री है, लाइक टुडे इज़ 9th November. So whatever the entries will be there of 9th November, that will be written, and when it will come next day, then other. So in order of their dates, the journal entries are posted in the ledger in order of their dates. So let's move to next question. Question number 5. Which of the following accounts is called valuation account or contra account? Provision for first option is A. Provision for depreciation account. B. Provision for doubtful debt account. C. Stock reserve account. D. Reserves and surpluses account. So our options are A to D all, A, B and C only, A, C and D only, B, C and D only. So let's see what is the correct answer. And correct answer is B, A, B and C only. ए बी और सी जो है, ये जो इनकी जो भी एंट्रीज है, लाइक प्रोविजन फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन अकाउंट, प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेट अकाउंट एंड स्टॉक रिजर्व अकाउंट, ये सब जो हैं इन सबको हम वैल्यूएशन अकाउंट या कॉन्ट्रा अकाउंट कहते हैं. एंड रिजर्व एंड सरप्लस अकाउंट इज अ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ अकाउंट. लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. ए डबल column cash book has two columns on each side. Which one is false? So you have to give the answer that which statement is false. Our options are A. One column is meant for cash and another for discount. B. The discount column on the debit side represent the discount allowed. C. The cash column on the credit side represents cash received. D. The discount column on the credit side means the discount allowed and cash column on the debit side means cash received. So let's see what is the correct answer. The correct answer is D. The discount column on the credit side means the discount allowed and discount column on the debit side means cash received. So this is incorrect statement. Rest A, B and C are correct statement for double columnar cash book. सो इन दैट वन कॉलम इज मेंट, एक जो कॉलम है वो कैश के लिए होता है और दूसरा डिस्काउंट के लिए होता है. ओके. एंड बी पॉइंट इज डिस्काउंट कॉलम ऑन डेबिट साइड. जो डिस्काउंट कॉलम है वो डेबिट साइड रिप्रेजेंट करता है डिस्काउंट अलाउड, कि हमने कितना डिस्काउंट दिया. एंड सी द कैश कॉलम ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड रिप्रेजेंट कैश रिसीव. जो कैश कॉलम है वो हमें बताता है कितना हमने कैश रिसीव किया. सो let's move to next question. Question number 7. In a business firm, the chief cashier hands over some cash to the petty cashier, who submits the accounts of petty cash after a fixed time interval. This system is called. So which is the most appropriate answer you have to give? First is petty cash system, petty cash book system, impressed system of petty cash book, advanced system of petty cash book. So let's see what is the correct answer. And the correct answer is C, impressed system of petty cash book. So जितने भी बिजनेस फर्म है उसमें पैटी कैश का कॉन्सेप्ट होता है. इन पैटी कैश व्हाट हैपन्स, लाइक जो छोटे छोटे खर्चे होते हैं जितनी भी कंपनीज के, तो उन खर्चों को वो बार बार अपनी एंट्री में ना लिखकर एक पैटी कैश की तरह वो उस एंट्री को शो करते हैं. लाइक इफ़ ए कंपनी नीड्स लाइक डेली स्टेशनरी एंड टी कॉफ़ी फॉर कस्टमर्स एक्सपेंडिचर. सो ये जो छोटे छोटे एक्सपेंसेस होते हैं वो बार बार उसकी एंट्री ना करनी पड़े, इसीलिए वो उसे एज ए पैटी कैश लेते हैं. लाइक दे रिलीज सम अमाउंट टू द हेड कैशियर, लाइक से फॉर ए वीक दे गिव 5,000, और वो 5,000 में जो है उसे एक वीक में अपने सारे जो छोटे मोटे खर्चे हैं वो करने हैं. एंड आफ्टर दैट द चीफ कैशियर हैंड्स ओवर सम कैश टू पैटी कैशियर हु सबमिट द अकाउंट ऑफ पैटी कैश आफ्टर फिक्स. तो वो जो कैशियर है वो चीफ कैशियर को वो बाद में उसकी स्टेटमेंट देगा, और दैट विल दिस सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड इम्प्रेस सिस्टम ऑफ पैटी कैश बुक. सो लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मैचेस? So let's see what are the options. A. Purchase book, both credit and cash purchase are recorded. Sales book, both credit and cash purchases are recorded. Purchase book, only cash purchases are recorded. Sales book, only credit purchases are recorded. So let's see which is our correct answer, and the correct answer is D. Sales book, only credit purchases are recorded. So let's move to next question. Question number 9. When there is one debit and several credits equal the debit amount, or there is one credit and several debits to match the amount of credit, this is called. तो इस सिस्टम को हम क्या कहते हैं? सिंपल जर्नल एंट्री, मल्टीपल जर्नल एंट्री, कंपाउंड जर्नल एंट्री, एग्रीगेटेड जर्नल एंट्री. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is C, compound journal entry. So let's move to next question. Question number 10. So in this we have to see what is the correct statement. Our statements are A. When goods are purchased, the purchase account is used. When goods are sold, the sales account is used. When goods are returned by the customers of the firm, the returns outward is used. When the goods are returned by the firm to its suppliers, the purchase returns is used. Which is correct? So we have to see which option is correct. So let's see what is the correct answer, and the correct answer is C. A, B and D. These are the correct statement. When goods are, जब भी goods परचेज होते हैं तो हम परचेज अकाउंट को यूज़ करते हैं. एंड व्हेन गुड्स आर सोल्ड, जब हम गुड्स बेचते हैं तो सेल्स अकाउंट को यूज़ करते हैं. एंड सी ऑप्शन, व्हेन गुड्स आर रिटर्न बाय द कस्टमर ऑफ द फर्म, रिटर्न आउटवर्ड इज, सो दिस इज इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. एंड व्हेन गुड्स आर रिटर्न बाय द फर्म, जब फर्म गुड्स को रिटर्न करती है अपने सप्लायर को, तो परचेजेज रिटर्न इज यूज्ड. ओके, सो दिस वाज. So let's move to next question. Question number 11. So friends, when you are watching this video, you should also go through our previous video so that you can have a quick recap of the videos. Okay, let's see this question. Returns of goods from the customers of the firm should be credited to dash and debited to dash. अगर किसी कस्टमर का जो है गुड्स रिटर्न आता है तो वह उसे हम क्रेडिट कहाँ करेंगे और डेबिट कहाँ करेंगे. सो ऑप्शंस आर ए, कस्टमर अकाउंट सेल्स रिटर्न, सेल्स अकाउंट सेल्स रिटर्न, कस्टमर अकाउंट सेल्स रिटर्न, कस्टमर अकाउंट. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर, एंड करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, कस्टमर अकाउंट सेल्स रिटर्न. तो जो कस्टमर अकाउंट है वो क्रेडिट हो जाएगा और जो सेल्स रिटर्न है वो डेबिट हो जाएगा. So this type of questions are usually asked in accounting exam, because when you know the concept you can easily give answer. So this type of question can come for half mark or 1 mark, and you should be well prepared for these type of questions related to entries of ledger journal, what will be debited, what will be credited, and you should go through the book so that you can have better understanding. Let's move to next question. Question number 12. An entry on the left side of a nominal account represents income or expenditure, only income, income or gain, expense or loss. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is D, expense or loss. Left side में expenses or loss we write, and on the right side we take income or gain. Let's move to question number 13. Which of the following is true? A, balance of real account, personal account and nominal account are carried over to the next accounting period. Debit side of the cash book is called payment and credit side is called receipt. Discount allowed by the creditor is recorded on the payment side of the cash book. A person who owes a firm some amount is called debtor. So we have to see which statement is true. Let's see. So our option, that correct answer is C. Discount allowed by the creditor is recorded on the payment side of the cash book. Let's move to question number 14. Process of transfer of an entry from journal to ledger is called posting, journalizing, summarizing, recording. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is A, posting. जब भी हम जर्नल की जो एंट्री है उसको लेजर में लेके जाते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं पोस्टिंग. दिस क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड इन हाफ मार्क and you should be remembering this. Let's move to next question. Question number 15. If cash is deposited in the bank in a 3-column cash book, it will be recorded on payment side of the cash book, receipt side of the cash book, both sides of the cash book. It will not be recorded as it represents a contra entry. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is C, both sides of the cash book. Let's move to question number 16. Cash which is not due as income of the business is not credited to the income under dash system, and cash received under and cash received whether due or not is taken as income of the business under dash system. So option are accrual and accrual and cash accrual cash. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is B, accrual and cash. So cash which is not due as income of the business is not credited. So this is called accrual system, and cash received whether due or not is taken as cash system. Let's move to question number 17. A firm changes the depreciation of rupees. A firm charges depreciation of rupees 10,000 for first 2 years on an asset. In the third year it charges rupees 5,000, and in the fourth year 8,500. This is considered undesirable because of application of A, convention of conservatism, B, convention of consistency, C, convention of materiality, D, convention of full disclosure. So let's see what is the correct answer, and correct answer is B, convention of consistency. So ड्यू टू कन्वेंशन ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी इट इज़ अनडिज़ायरेबल. सो कोई भी फर्म है उसे अगर अगर उसने अपने फर्म में बिगनिंग में स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड यूज़ किया है तो इट दैट फर्म शुड कीप ऑन यूजिंग स्ट्रेट लाइन मेथड. They are not supposed to use some written down method or other methods of depreciation, because that violates the law of consistency, convention of consistency. Let's move to question number. Then before moving, let's see some points related to depreciation. Actually friend, depreciation topic is very important, and you will be getting 2 to 3 marks out of this topic. So let's see some of the points of depreciation. So first, what is depreciation? Depreciation refers to allocation of the cost of the asset over time. It is a non-cash expense. Capitalized cost of an asset is allocated through depreciation. So friend, depreciation होता है कि like you have a computer in your office, so that computer is not going to work for forever. So the value of the computer will be declining day by day. So हम क्या करते हैं, depreciation की value उसके ऊपर use करते हैं, और उससे जो डेप्रिसिएशन अमाउंट है उससे डिक्रीज़ करते हैं उसकी एसेट वैल्यू, एंड वी कैपिटलाइज कॉस्ट ऑफ एन एसेट. और उससे जो हमें पैसे बच रहे हैं उस पैसे को हम एक फ़ंड क्रिएट करते हैं, जिससे कि आने वाले टाइम में जब वो मशीन काम करना बंद कर दे, दैट टाइम वी कैन परचेज अनदर वन. सो फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन देर आर 4 इंपॉर्टेंट टाइप्स. फर्स्ट इज स्ट्रेट लाइन मैथड. स्ट्रेट लाइन मैथड, और उसका जो फॉर्मूला है वो है original cost minus salvage value or residual value, you can say, upon useful life. So this is the formula for straight line method. Accelerated, more depreciation is reported in the initial year of the life of the asset and less in the later. So that is called accelerated method. And double declining balance. In double declining depreciation we use the formula 2 divided by depreciable life in years percent into book value at the beginning of period. And another is unit of production method. In this we see that depreciation is equal to original cost minus salvage value divided by life in number of units into number of years. So effect of depreciation. So what is the effect of depreciation? We can see it affects the pre-tax income and tax expense, and also the income tax expense. It is in case of accelerated method. And useful life and salvage value. Higher useful life and salvage value reduces depreciation and thus increases profit. So these are some of the points of depreciation. So let's move to next question. Question number 18. While recording a transaction, when is not clear whether it is on cash basis or on credit basis, what would be done? So friend, आप एक ट्रांजेक्शन को रिकॉर्ड करने जा रहे हैं एंड देयर यू आर नॉट क्लियर कि कैश बेसिस है या क्रेडिट बेसिस. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, इट विल बी टेकन एज ए कैश ट्रांजेक्शन, it will be taken as credit transaction, it will not be recorded as it will create confusion, it will be recorded after talking to the originator. Let's see what is the correct answer. And correct answer is A. It will be taken as a cash transaction. When it is not clear, so we will take it as a cash transaction. Let's move to question number 19. A cash book is of different types such as A. Simple cash book, B. Double column cash book, C. Three column cash book. So we have to see which are correct. Which is correct? Option A to C all, only A and B, only A and C, only B and C. Let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is A to C all. ये जो तीनों है, सिंपल कैश बुक, डबल कॉलम कैश बुक और एंड थ्री कॉलम, इट इज़ नॉट फ्रेंड हेयर, इट विल नॉट कम, यहाँ पे देर नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे आएगा थ्री. इट इज़ थ्री कॉलम कैश बुक. ओके, let's move to next question. Question number 20. Bank paid some interest to the party. Firm deposited one check with the bank. The entry in respect of these two would be made first by dash and dash respectively. So our options are A bank, then bank, bank, then firm, 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 and firm and bank. So let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is B, bank and firm. So first entry will be made, will be done by bank and then firm will record. So bank paid some interest, बैंक ने कुछ इंटरेस्ट पे किया पार्टी को और फर्म ने डिपॉजिट किया एक चेक विद द बैंक. द एंट्री रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ दीज टू, इनकी जो एंट्री है वो पहले बैंक करेगा एंड देन फर्म विल बी डूइंग. So friend, this is a set of 20 questions. I hope so you're benefited from these 20 questions. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please go through the previous videos. We have already updated many videos on the first our PPB subject and legal, and we are also making this accounts questions. So you should go through our previous videos so that you can have a revision of the all the subjects. And please like the video and share this video with your friends who are preparing for the jaiib exam, so that they can also get benefit of our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.